Welcome to Raj Technologies. Before starting the topic, please subscribe my YouTube channel. In this channel, there are many useful Oracle, Unix, Informatica Power Center, Informatica ISS IDMC, Snowflake, Python, and many other courses. Videos are available. You can watch the videos, practice them. While practicing, if you like them, please press a like button and comment on the videos. And we have a website called rajinformatica.com. In this website, we have many materials like Power Center, Informatica, Unix, Oracle, Snowflake, Python, and many interview questions like Power Center, Oracle, ISCS, Snowflake, Python, and many courses, interview questions and material available. Please browse my channel, rajinformatica.com, for many other courses. We have been in this industry from 3 years and we have completed almost 25 batches of Informatica, and we have started Snowflake training, Python full stack training, and we'll be starting all the cloud and all the other trainings. You please keep browsing my rajinformatica.com channel for more courses, and please subscribe my channel. Now, before going to the session, you know what is data means? What is data? What is data, guys? Data means collection of information. Data means collection of information. So, for example, what kind of data you will see daily basis? You will see groceries. You will see groceries data. You will see banking data. You will see college educational data. You will see government data. You will see healthcare data. These are all the examples of data. So data means collection of information. Okay, that means suppose if you go to bank, you will be depositing some amount that will be recorded. That will be recorded as transactions. So these are all called data. Okay, wherever you go, they will enter in the computer. They will take your data. So suppose if you paid 1,000 rupees in a college, they will take your information, your name, your ID, okay, and your subject, your class, all those things, and they will enter it. This kind of thing is called a data. Okay, so this is called data. Data is very important in our lives. Nowadays, everything is on data. So wherever you go, all computerized, okay, they will be working in systems only. So if you go to small vegetable shop, there also they will be using system. Okay, they will be entering the data. Okay, if you go to any bank, they will be entering the data. If you go to any school, they will be entering the data. So that is called data. Data means information about the customers. Data means information about the customers. Okay, so about the clients or customers. Now, where this data will store? Where this data will store? Data will store in database. Data will store in database. Okay. So whatever the data we got, that will store under database. Okay. So data will be stored in the format of rows and columns. Data will be stored in the format of rows and columns. Collection of rows and columns is called a table. Okay. So how this data will be stored? Data will be stored normally in table format. Data will be stored in the tables format or files format. We'll see what is the file and all, we'll see later. As of now, we'll discuss about the table. So now, suppose if you go to bank, what will happen? You will give, suppose you take a deposit slip, you want to deposit 10,000 rupees. You will go to bank, you take a deposit slip, you write your account number, date, name, amount. You will take it and you will give that deposit slip and also 10,000 rupees to cashier. Now what cashier will do? Cashier will enter your data. He will open, suppose ICICI Bank website, he will open, he will log in and he will enter your customer ID. Once you enter customer ID, all your details will come. He will take 10,000 and he will click on save. When you click on save under deposit, it will go and save in the database internally. It will go and save in the database internally. So that data, customer data, will be saved under in a table format. In a table format, it will save. Okay. So data will be saved under table format. Normally, data will be stored under table format. This collection of tables is called database. Okay. So how a table look like this a table look like. If you see the table look like this. Okay. Tables will be having rows and columns. Tables will be having rows or records. So these horizontal lines are called rows or records. We have 5 records. We have 5 records here. And vertical lines are called columns or fields. These vertical things also called fields or attributes or columns or entities. Okay. So this is customer ID column, customer name column, credit column, debit column, and these are the rows. So this collection of rows and columns is called a, this collection of rows and columns is called a table. Is called a table. These tables will be stored under database. Are you clear, please? These tables will be stored under database. So data will be stored in the format of rows and columns. Collection of rows and columns is called a table. Collection of tables is called a database. Are you clear, please? Everyone understood? So these tables will be stored under database. Now, what are the examples of database? What are the examples of databases? Examples of databases are same thing: banking database, retail database, educational database, insurance database, government database, entertainment database. These are the examples of databases. Okay, fine. Suppose I am having a college. I want to see the tables, correct? So I want to store the information into tables. Where you will see the tables? In system. Where you will see the tables? How to see the table? In your laptop or computer? You should have installed some database servers. You should work on, if you wanted to retrieve the data from database or a table, you should have installed database servers. So examples of database servers are Oracle database, SQL Server database, MySQL, Greenplum, Teradata, MongoDB, Snowflake, DB2, MS Access, etc., etc. There are many databases are there. So what I am saying, as of when you come to theory, data will be stored in the format of tables and will be stored in the database. How this database look like? Where this database look like? How it look like is you should have installed database technologies, okay, or servers. Database servers you should install. So suppose I installed Oracle database and also I installed SQL and also I installed SQL Developer. So now if you open SQL Developer here, so these are all the schemas we have. I can say databases. These are all the schemas we have. Under this we have the tables like this. These are all the tables we have. So like this we have. If you want to see the table, see now. So if I give select star from s_cust, it will be visible the tables. It will be visible the rows and columns. How this will be visible? If you install Oracle or SQL Server, you see this is SQL Server. So if you install SQL Server and if you query the table, if you write a statement, it will execute and it will show you. It will execute and it will show you the database. It will show you the table. Are you clear, please? Understanding, everyone? This is MySQL. If you see, this is MySQL. So if you see this, if you execute this in MySQL, it will show you the output in the format of a table. See, this is a MySQL data. Like this, we have many databases. Like this, we have many databases in real time. So mainly used. Okay. So databases mainly used to query the data. Query means Query the data means to see the data, to view the data from the database. So that is called a query. We will use it. Okay. So we will see how many databases we can. So till last session, we have seen only Oracle, last batch. This batch I am introducing SQL Server and MySQL also, so that you will get good hands-on on SQL Server and MySQL also. Okay. Yes, please. Why do you use multiple databases? I will tell you. Why to use multiple databases? I will tell you. Please wait. Okay. Now, okay, we know what is data. What is database? We understood now. So ultimately, data is collection of information. Those data will be stored in somewhere. Previously, before computer, data is stored in the book, in the format of books, correct? Data is Excel. I will not teach Excel, but I will show you what are the things in Excel. We'll work on Excel also, but I will not teach Excel. You please learn Excel from YouTube, okay? There are many YouTube links in Excel, so you can watch through Excel. You can watch through them, okay? Or I will try to give some videos on Excel. I will try to prepare. You can watch them. Okay. Now, previously, before now, from almost 15-20 years, these computerized things has come in banks. Before that, they were maintaining books, correct? Ledger books. The data was storing in the format of books, correct? Pages and books before the computer. Yes or no, guys? But now we have the computer. So that is why we are all storing in the data in database. We are all storing the data in database. So ultimately, data is a collection of information, and data will be stored under database. Data will be stored under database. So today we are discussing about Oracle. Oracle is one of the database server. What are the examples of database servers? Oracle SQL Server, MySQL, Greenplum, Teradata, Snowflake, DB2. These are the different types of database servers, correct? Yes, guys? Yeah. So now, as I told you, okay, in the last session, we will extract the data from source. We will extract the data from a database. We will load it to data warehouse, correct? In the last session, what I have told, Informatica is the ETL tool. What is ETL means? What is ETL means? Guys, please reply. What is ETL means? ETL means extract, transform, and load. Extract from where? So today we are learning Oracle database. Okay, are you clear, guys? What is Oracle? Oracle is a database. Are you clear, everyone, please? Understanding? Oracle is a database. In Oracle, there are two parts. In Oracle, there are two parts. SQL, PL SQL. In Oracle, there are two parts. SQL and PL SQL. SQL means structured query language. Structured query language. PL SQL means procedural language. Procedural language. Structured query language. Yes, please. So in Oracle, there are two parts. In Oracle, there are two parts. SQL, PL SQL. SQL means structured query language. PL SQL means procedural language, structured query language. To learn Informatica or to get a job on Informatica, mainly you have to learn SQL. To get a job on Informatica, you must learn SQL. PL SQL is optional. If you want to learn, you can learn. Otherwise, leave it. But SQL is mandatory. You must learn SQL. You must practice SQL. Are you clear, guys? Understanding, everyone? Are you clear? You must practice SQL. Yes, please. So, without SQL, there is no Informatica or no ETL tool. You need to give more importance to SQL. If you, in the interview, if they ask you SQL questions, if you answer, you will select. Okay, so please concentrate more on SQL. Okay, fine. Now, coming to the data. So, Oracle database having two parts, SQL, PL SQL. These two are belongs to Oracle only. These two are belongs to Oracle database. Okay. Now, in SQL, mainly in database, normally in every data, what is the database? First of all, for example, this is the database. This is database. What is this? Database. What is database? Database is a collection of schema. Database is collection of schema. Yes, guys. So in database, what we have in database, we have different schemas. See, please. For example, if you see, I have a database. I have schema 1, schema 2, schema 3, schema 4. Yes, please. These are the different schemas. Understanding, everyone? This is schema 1. This is schema 1. Schema 2. This is schema 3. This is schema 4. Yes, please. Now, what is a schema? So, as I told you, database is a collection of schema. Database is a collection of schema. Let me write it. Database, collection of schema. Okay. Database is collection of schemas. Yes, guys. And what is schema? Collection of database objects. Collection of database objects like tables, views, synonyms, etc. Okay. So database is a collection of schema. Schema is a collection of tables. So in every schema, we will be having different tables available. In every schema, we will be having different tables available. Understanding? Everyone? Are you clear, please? Everyone, are you clear? So database is a collection of schema. Schema is a collection of tables. What is table means? Table is a collection of data. Table is collection of data in the form of rows and columns. Correct? What is table? Table is a collection of data in the form of rows and columns. Yes or no, please? Yes, guys. So now, if you want to create a table, before you create a table, you need to create a schema first. What you need to create? You need to create a schema first. Okay. Now, to work with Oracle, if you want to work with Oracle, suppose you want to work with Oracle, SQL, what you require? To work with Oracle SQL, what do you require? Oracle SQL, what do you require, guys? You need to install Oracle first. Install Oracle Server software, correct? I sent you. And install Oracle SQL Developer, correct? Install Oracle SQL Developer. If you want to work with SQL, you need to install Oracle Server software. Okay, Oracle software, Oracle database software, and Oracle SQL Developer. Did you install all these two? Everyone, did you install these two, guys? Oracle database software and also, just a second. Yeah, Oracle database and Oracle SQL Developer you install. Okay. Now, the first thing you need to do is you need to create a schema. You need to create a schema first. To create a schema, what to do? You have to open Oracle SQL Developer. So you might have, I'll close and open again. You might have installed Oracle SQL Developer. Okay. You have to open Oracle SQL Developer first. Yes, guys. Correct. So now I am opening Oracle SQL Developer. So here I have Oracle SQL Developer. Just a second. Let me open that. So here I have SQL Developer. Here I have open it. Yes, guys. So when you open it, it will open Oracle SQL Developer. It will open Oracle SQL Developer. Yes, guys. So this is Oracle SQL Developer window. What is this? This is Oracle SQL Developer window. In the Oracle SQL Developer window, this is called title bar. This is called tool. This is called menu bar, toolbar. Left side window is called, you have the left side window. The left side window is called, what is left side window? This left side window is called navigator window, and this is workspace window. Okay. Now, once you open Oracle SQL Developer, everyone is having Schema. Do you having Schema, please? In my video, in my Oracle installation and Informatica installation video, I have shown you how to configure Schema. Do you have it? Yes. Now what we are going to create? You are going to create a schema with the name OT-SRC dev2. Okay. So what I am doing? I am creating a schema name called some name. You can give any name. You can give your name, my name, any name. But I am giving a meaningful name, OT-SRC dev2. This is what I want to create. So to create, what to do? If you want to create a schema, what you have to do? What you have to do, guys? You have to go to here. Are you seeing schema? Click on plus. Everyone understanding? Click on plus symbol of sys. When you click on plus symbol, a workspace window will open, correct? Are you seeing the workspace window? Yes, guys. Please reply. When I ask any question, you have to reply, please. When I ask any question, you have to reply in the chat. So what I am trying to say is you want to create a schema first. If you want to create a schema, what you have to do? You have to click on sys. This window will open. Suppose if this window is not open, right click on sys schema, right click on sys, open SQL worksheet. It will open. Yes, guys, this is how you need to open sys schema. Sys is a system schema. Sys belongs to Oracle itself. When you install Oracle, sys will be automatically installed. Sys will be automatically installed. Yes, please. Are you clear, guys? Understanding, everyone? Are you clear? Yes. Okay. Yeah. Now, once you open sys schema, what you have to do? You have to create a schema. How to create a schema now? Now, how to create a schema? How to create a schema? You have to write a how to create a schema called OT-SRC dev2. You need to write. Okay. Yes, please. Guys, what I am telling is, while I am telling the live session, you should not do parallelly, please. You should not do parallelly. You should not do anything in your system. You have to observe me. Are you clear? If you do parallelly with me, then you will not understand anything. So what you have to do? You have to just listen what I am saying, see the screen and understand. Do not write anything or do not type anything in your system. Just sit in front of your system and watch the session carefully and try to understand it. Are you clear? Are you clear, please? Don't sit in a noisy room. Sit in a calm room. Lock your room. Put your mobile in silent and lock your room and listen carefully. Yes, please. I am telling in the second session itself. If you don't understand second session, you will not understand third session. If you don't understand third session, you will not understand fourth session. So every session is linked to next session. So what you have to do? You have to just see the screen and listen what I am saying and try to understand the concepts. Are you clear, please? Everyone, are you clear? Yes. So please try to understand first. Once the session is completed, then practice. Till now, you do not do anything, please. Okay. Now I opened SQL Developer. Now what I have to do? I need to create a schema. To create a schema, you need to write the command. To create the schema, what to do? You need to write the command. What is the command? You need to write command like this. Create schema, schema name. What is schema name? OT_SRC dev2 identified by password. Yes, please. I am giving the password as admin. Whatever the password you are giving here, this is your schema name and password is admin. So what is my schema name? OT_SRC dev2. You can give any name. I am giving a name called OT_SRC dev2 and password is admin. Then after that, write grant all privileges to schema name. So you will give all the privileges. Next, grant DBA to schema name. Grant DBA to, create user here. Yeah. So what is the syntax? What is the syntax of? Syntax means rule. You have to do like this only. You cannot do like as you want. You have to do like this only. How to create a schema? Create user schema name identified by password. Grant all privileges to schema name. Grant database administrator to schema name. Select. You should give a semicolon at last. With every line, you should give a semicolon. Now select this, and are you seeing the green triangle button? Are you seeing green triangle button, please? Execute it. What is this? Execute. So select all and execute. When you execute, at down, you see first line is executed. Grant user OT_SRC dev2 created. Grant succeeded. So now your schema is created. Are you clear, guys? Are you clear, everyone? Understanding? Yes, please. So now what we have done? We have created a schema called OT_SRC dev2. But whatever the schema we created, all permissions, privileges means permissions. Give these two, what is the meaning of these two lines? Give the necessary permissions. Give all the permissions to OT_SRC dev2 schema. Now I have created what I have done? I have created the schema. Yes, please. Once I create the schema, are you seeing at the left side? Do we have OT_SRC dev2? Do we have OT_SRC dev2 in the left side? No. Now you need to configure the schema. The first thing is how to create a schema. This is how you need to create a schema. How to create a schema? This is how you need to create a schema. Okay. Now next point is configure the schema. Configure the schema which you created. How to configure the schema? That we will see now. How to configure the schema? Open SQL Developer. Are you seeing plus button here? New connection. Are you seeing the new connection, please? Now click on this green plus button. Now when you click on green plus button, it is asking the name. Name is any name you can give. I am giving the schema name. My schema name is OT_SRC dev2. My schema name is OT_SRC dev2. And my username also OT_SRC dev2. Schema name, username, all are same. And what is the password I should give? Whatever I given here. I given small case admin. You have to give small case admin here. Whatever I given here, you have to give the same thing here. Click on save password test. When you click on test, it is showing success. Correct? It is showing success here. Yes, guys. It is showing success. Once it is shown success, then connect. Then click on connect. Once you click on connect, are you seeing here? It has connected OTSRC dev to. This is how, yes, please. The role is default only. Yes, the role will be default only. Now, the schema is created. Did you understand, guys? How the schema is created? Everyone, please. Everyone, did you understand how the schema is created? Did you understand, please? Are you clear? Yes, guys, please watch my video. If you are not clear, please watch my video again and again, you will understand. Now, once the schema is created and configured, now see, please, click on this left plus button of OTSRC dev to, and see, this is a schema. These are all Oracle objects. Schema is a collection of Oracle objects. What are the objects we have? Tables, views, indexes, procedures, functions, operators, queues, like this. We have many things. Under this, we have tables. Yes, please. So database is a collection of schema. This is the database, for example. Database is a collection of schema. Schema is a collection of tables. So now we don't have any tables here. Correct? So did you understand, please, how to create and configure the schema? Did you understand how to create and configure the schema? Yes, please. Yeah. Once it is done, now you need to create the table. You need to create the tables. Yes, please. What you have to do? Create the table. Okay, so configure the schema, OTSRC dev to. Next, create a table. Create a table named students. What is the table name? I want to create a table name called students. Yes, please. Now, how to create a table called students, that we will see now. For example, this is my table. For example, this is my table. Yes, please. So my table name is students. It is having the columns: student ID, student name, student marks, city. Okay. And state also. City, state. Yes, please. This is my table. This is my table. Now in this, I want the rows like this: 10, Raj, 100, Bangalore, KAR. This is what I want. 20, Ram, 200, Chennai, TN, 30, Divya. Yes, please. 300, Hyderabad, TS, 40. Yes, please. Ramya, 400, Mumbai, MH. This is my table, correct? I want to create this table in Oracle SQL. By using Oracle SQL commands, I want to create this table. Yes, please. So this table is having 5 columns, correct? This is the column header. Whatever I am highlighting, whatever in orange, whatever it is in orange, it is what? It is column header. It is having 5 columns and 4 rows, correct? Student ID is a column. Student ID is a column. Student name is a column. Yes, please. Student marks is a column. City is a column. And state is a column. Understanding, everyone? Are you clear, guys? Everyone understanding? Clear about it? And there are 5 columns and 4 records. Now, how to create this table in Oracle? Before going to create a table, you need to learn basic commands. Basic commands in Oracle SQL. What are this? You need to learn basic commands in Oracle SQL. Yes, guys. What you need to learn? You need to learn basic commands in Oracle SQL. What are the basic commands in Oracle SQL? DDL commands, DDL commands, DML commands. Yes, please. DDL commands, DML commands, TCL commands, and DQL commands. What are DDL commands? Data definition language. Data definition language. And what are DML? Data manipulation language. Data manipulation language. Next, TCL commands. Transaction control language. Transaction control language. DQL, data query language. Yes, please. So now what we need to learn first, before you create the table, you need to learn how to create a table. That means what are the basic types of, what are the basic Oracle commands. So DDL, under DDL, you will get create command, create, alter, drop, rename, truncate. These are the DDL commands. What are DML commands? DML commands are insert, update, delete. TCL commands are what? Commit, rollback. DQL command is what? Select. Okay. So now you need to learn basic commands in Oracle. We need to learn basic commands in Oracle that we are going to learn now first. So in this, now we are going to learn about create table statement. How to create a table. Create a table in Oracle. Create a table in Oracle. How to create a table in Oracle? How to create a table in Oracle? By using create table statement. By using create table statement. Understanding? By using create table statement, you can create a table. Before going to that, see please. My students is having what kind of data? My student ID, my students table, he is having student ID, student name, marks, city, state columns. Correct? These are all the columns, guys. Yes or no, please? Are these the columns? Yes or no, please? Now, these columns, what kind of data we will load in student ID? Student ID contains number data, correct? Student ID contains numeric data, yes or no? Student name contain text data, text, correct? Or string data, text or string, yes please? Text or string data. Text or string data is characters, character data. Marks contains numeric data, number, numeric data. City contains string or text data, correct? String or text data. State also contains string or text data. Now, yes please. So now, before you create a table, you need to create the structure of the table. So in Oracle, we have data types. What are these? Data types. What are data types? Data types will define what kind of data in each column. What kind of data you will load in each column. So now student ID is a number data type. Number data type. How many maximum digit you want in student ID? How many maximum digits you want in student ID? Maybe 3 digit maximum. 3 digits suppose. So till it will number of 3 means, what is number of 3? This student ID can have minimum 0 digit to maximum 3 digit. So it will allow 0 to, it will allow what? 0 to 999. Correct? You can load the data from 0 to 999. Understanding everyone? You have to define the data types first. You have to define the data types first. Okay. So my student ID data type is number of 3. You can give 4, 5, 6 till 38. The maximum digit is 38. Till 38 digits it will allow. Next, student name. The string data type we have is varchar. What is this? Variable character. Varchar of 50. 50 means what? Till 50 characters name will allow. Name will allow till 50 characters. Are you clear, please? Next, number of 4. Marks will be number. 4 digit number it will allow. This will allow varchar to any varchar to, you can give 100, 200, 300 also, but for me 50 is enough. I am giving 50. Are you clear, please? Yes, guys. Understanding, everyone? Everyone understanding, please? So my student ID should be number. Student ID should be number of 3. Student name should be varchar 50. Student marks will be number of 4. City will be number of 50. State will be number of varchar of 20. Now you need to write a create table statement. What you need to write now? You need to write create table statement. You have to create a table. So how to create a table in Oracle SQL? How to create a table in Oracle SQL? To create a table, you should write create. To create a table, you should write create table, table name. What is the table name? What is the table name? Students. Create table, table name, students. Open and close the brackets and write down student ID. Student ID space number of 3, comma, student name space varchar 2, varchar 2 is the data type 50. Yes, please. Next, marks number of 4, Next, city, varchar 50, varchar 2 50. Understanding, everyone, guys? Are you clear, please? City, varchar 2 50. Then state, varchar 2 50. This is how you need to write the create table statement. This is how you need to write the create table statement. Is there any difference between varchar and varchar 2? There is no difference. Varchar 2 is a advanced version of varchar. Varchar 2 is advanced version of varchar. Understood? If you want to create any table, how to create a table? First, you need to create a schema. A schema can contain n number of tables. In this schema, we are creating a table called students. You can give any name, any column name you can give. As per my requirement, I am creating a table called students with student ID, number data type, student name, varchar 2 data type, marks, number data type, city and state, varchar 2 data type. Are you clear, please? Understanding, everyone? Are you clear, please? Did you understand, everyone, how to create the table? Did you understand how to create a table, please? Now select this and execute it. Select this and execute it. Once you execute, it will create table students created. Are you seeing, please? Is the table students is created with how many columns? Table students created with how many columns? 4 columns. Now here, if you want to see this table in left side, click on this schema, right click on it, disconnect. Then click on this plus, click on the tables. Are you seeing the students table here? Sorry, take this and execute it. Where you have to create this? Where you have to create this table? Under OTSRC Dev 2, correct? You have to create this table in OTSRC Dev 2. To create the table in OTSRC Dev 2, first right click on this OTSRC Dev 2, open SQL worksheet and write the statement here. Right click on OTSRC Dev 2 schema, open SQL worksheet and then write the create table statement and execute it. Now table students created. Now right click, disconnect and connect. Now you are able to see your table here, correct? Are you able to see your table? Are you able to see your table, please? In the left side navigator window? Yes. Now, so this is how you should create a table. This is how you should create a table. Create table, table name and the column names and the data types. Now, once you create a table, how to see the number of records in it, how to see the records in a table, how to see the records in a table, how to see the records in a table. To see the records in a table, you have to write select star from table name. Select star from table name. Execute. Now you will get empty table here. See please. We have the columns student ID, student name, marks, city, state. So if you give select star from students, it will give what? It will give the empty table because we don't have any records. Star means what? Select all columns. You can write like this also. Select student ID, comma, student name, comma, marks, comma, city, comma, state from students. You can write select all the columns from the students or select star. Both are same. Understanding please? Are you clear guys? You can write select star from students or you can write select the column names from the student. Select the column names from the student. Are you clear please? Yes guys. So this is how you can see the records or rows from a table. If you want to see the records or rows in a table, you have to give select star from table name. Select star from table name. Are you clear please? Understanding everyone? Are you clear? Did you understand? Everyone, are you clear please? Yes guys? Yeah, done. Now, once you create a table, you need to insert the records into the table. What is the next step? Insert the records into the table. You need to insert these records, correct? I want these records. So we got empty table like this. We got empty table now, correct? Did we get empty table? We got empty table here. Now we need to insert these records into the table. We need to insert these records into the table. How to insert the record? You need to write insert statement. What is that? Insert statement. How to write insert statement? Write it like this. Insert into table name. Insert into table name. Yes, please. Understanding? Yes, guys. Are you clear? Insert into table name and give the column names. These are the column names it is having. Correct? Yes, guys. Insert into table name. Column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4, column 5, space, values. Now, what student ID wanted? 100. Student ID is 10 or 1. Student ID is 10. Student name. Student ID is what data type? Student ID is what data type? When we create a table, student ID we given which data type? Number. So it is, I am writing a number. Now student name is varchar. So when you write student name, you have to write in single quotes. You have to write in single quotes. Understanding? When you are writing a value of a string or varchar, you have to write in single quotes. Yes, please. Comma. Next, marks is number 100. Okay, marks is what? Marks is 100. Comma. City is again a character. So Bangalore. Yes, please. In the single quotes. Comma. State also varchar. So that is KAR. And close the bracket, semicolon. Understanding? Everyone, how to insert the records into table? Insert into table name. Insert into table name. Yes, guys. Yes, please. Insert into table name. Okay. Everyone, are you clear, guys? Insert into table name. All the column names, values, and 10 is student ID. Raj is student name. 100 is marks. Bangalore is city. KR is state. Whatever the double quotes, no, single quotes only. You can use double quotes, but you have to use single quotes only. Yes, please. So whatever the order you have the same order values you have to give. Now take this and execute. Now one row inserted. Is one row inserted, please? Is one row inserted? Now how to see again? If I want to see that row, select star from students. Select star from students. Now I got one row. See please. Student ID 10, student name Raj, marks 100, city Bangalore, Karnataka. Correct? Yes or no, please? So how to insert a record in a table? Insert into how to insert the record in a table? Insert into students like this. You need to insert. You need to insert. Understanding everyone, guys? Are you clear, please? Everyone understanding? Clear about it? Insert into table name. Okay. Values like this. Suppose I want to insert one more record. I want to insert one more record. Just copy this. Control C and Control V. Change it. 20. Change it. 20. RAM. 20. RAM. 200. Chennai. TN. Same way. Insert again one more record. Yes, please change it. 30. 30. Divya. 300. Yes, please. 300. Hyderabad. TS. Correct. Next one is, please observe, 40. Yes, guys. Ramya. 400. Mumbai. MH. Correct, guys? Yes, please. Understanding everyone? Yes, guys. So now what you have to do, you select at a time, you can execute. Select this and execute. Now 3 records got inserted in the down output window. 1 record inserted, 1 record. Now see again, select star from students. You can write it. You have to do separately, correct? You have to add a row separately. So either you select this and execute it. Now we got the 4 records. Did you get 4 records, please? Did we get 4 records? Everyone? This is how you need to insert the records into the table. How to insert the records? This is how you need to insert the records into the table. Insert into table name, column names, and the same order you should follow and you can execute. So it is now once we inserted, we should save the records into the table. What we need to do? We should save the records into the table. How to save the records into the table? We should save the records into the table. How to save the records into the table? You should give commit statement. Commit. How to save the records into the table? At last, you should give commit. Understanding, please? Take this and execute. Take this and execute. Commit completed. So the records are saved in the table. The records are saved in the table. What is commit means? What is commit means, guys? Commit means save. Commit means save. So now 4 records got inserted. We'll create one more table. Let's create one more table. Let's create a table called EMP. Employee table, let's create a table called EMP. So what are the column names we want? EMP ID. We need the column names EMP ID, E name, salary. Yes, please. EMP ID, E name, salary, DEPT ID, D name. Yes, guys. This is what I wanted to create a table. This is how I need to create a table. Now, data types. EMP ID is a number data type. number of 4 or number of 5. E-name is varchar to data type or 30 or 40 or 100. Now salary. Normally like this, correct? EMP ID 1, E-name Raj, salary, for example, 25,000 dot 12. Like this I want. Yes, guys? I want like this. 25,000 dot 12 or dot 00. DPT ID 10. D-name, okay, software. Like this I want. Okay. Now this I want to RAM. Yes, please. I want it like this. 3000 dot 25 20. Okay. HR. Next I want 3. Okay. Ramesh. Yes, guys. 200 dot 41. Okay. 30. Marketing. Yes, guys. 4. Ramya. Yes, please. Understanding? 10 dot 50 or 10.55. Yes, please. 40 and admin. These are the records I want. I want these kind of records. So now salary. Now what is this? Salary is decimal. What is this? Decimal. How to write decimal or number? You can write decimal or number of how many total numbers here? How many total digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are total 7 digits. Now what I can write? 7, 2. Number of 7, 2. What is number of 7, 2? Total numbers it can allow 7 numbers. Like this. 20,000. Total it can allow like this. 20,500, 25,250 dot 10 pies. 25,000 or 11 pies. 25,250 dot 11 pies. Correct? What is number 7, 2? Total 7 digits. Before that, after the dot 2 digits. Total 7 digits. After the dot 2 digits. Understanding? Suppose, for example, I am giving number of 5, 3. What it means? Number of 5, 3. What it mean? What is meant by number of 5, 3? What is meant by number of 5, 3? Total 5 digits. Total 5 digits means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Before 2 digits, dot should be there. Before 3 digits, dot should be there. Correct? 5, 3 means? Number of 5, 3 means? Number of 5, 3 means? Total 5 digits. Before 3 digits, dot should be there. Okay. For example, number of 8, 2. Number of 8, 2. What is number of 8, 2? Total 8 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Before 2 digits, dot. Are you clear, please? Not only this, it will allow normal numbers also. See, like this. Divya. It will allow just 1 also. It will allow. Yes, please. It will allow just 1 also. Understanding? Everyone? Are you clear, please? Understanding? It will allow single digit also, and but it will give as 1.00 or 1 it will give. Now this we will insert it. Yes, guys? Did you understand? Numbers, just number 5 means only digits. Number 7, 2 means it will allow the, what it will allow? It will allow, you can use float and all we'll see later. But as of now, we can use number or decimal. Are you clear, guys? Yes, please. Understanding? Are you clear? So now we will create the table now. We will create the table. How to create the table? Now come here. In OTSRC, they have to create, write it, create, table, EMP. Open and close the brackets. Now write it. EMP ID, number of 5. EMPID space number of 5, comma, ename, varchar2 100, comma, next salary, number 8, comma 2. Yes, guys. Next, department number, D number, DEPT ID. This is DEPT ID number of 5. DEPT ID number of 5. You can use any case, small case or upper case. Any case you can write. Okay. Next, D name. Next is D name, varchar2. Varchar2 100. Okay, like this. You need to write the create table statement. Understanding, please? Are you clear? Everyone? Are you clear, please? Create table EMP ID number of 5, comma, ename varchar2 100, comma, salary number of 8, comma 2, comma, DPT ID number of 5, comma, dname varchar2 100. See, it's very simple, please. Number of 8, comma 2 means total digit should be 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And before 2 digits, dot should be there. Suppose if I give number of 8, comma 5. If I give number of 8, comma 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Before 5 digits. Before 5 digit, dot should be there. Correct? Yes or no, please? Any doubts here, please? Everyone, any doubts here, please? Did you understand clearly? Did you understand clearly, guys? Now, what we have done, we created a table. Take it, execute it. Take it, execute it. Why varchar 200? Maximum 100 characters it will allow. Name and the name and department name will allow maximum 100 characters. Understanding? Maximum how many characters it will allow? Maximum 100 characters. It's based on the requirement. It is based on the requirement. Are you clear, please? Everyone understanding? Are you clear about it? Yes, guys. What is the meaning of OTSRC dev? Order table source development. What is the meaning of OTSRC dev? Order tables source development. We'll see that later. We'll see that later. Did you understand how to create a table, please? Did you understand how to create a table? Are you clear, guys? Are you clear how to create a table? Now, you need to insert the records into the table. You need to insert the records. Insert it. Write it. Insert into. Okay. What? Table name and column names. All the column names you have to give EMP ID, ename, comma, salary, comma, DPT ID, comma, dname, values. What is EMP ID? 1. Ename Raj in single quotes. Raj in single quotes. Yes, please. Salary, you can give any digit. Now, maximum digit it allow is 7, 2. Maximum it will allow 7, 2. Till then, you can give any number. So I am giving 25,000 dot 12, 25,000 dot 12, DPT ID 10, dname, okay, dname software in the single quotes. Are you clear, please? Understanding, everyone, what I have done? Are you clear, please? So 1 is EMP ID, Raj is ename, 25,000.12 is the salary, 10 is the department ID, software is the department name. Execute now. One row got inserted. Now give select star from EMP. Select star from EMP. See, please. Is the record is inserted? Is the record is inserted? Everyone understanding? OTSRC dev, I will tell later. Leave about it. I will tell later. Now that is not our topic. Our topic is how to create a table, how to insert the records into the table. Yes, please. Okay, now next copy paste to RAM. Yes, guys. RAM. What is the 3000.25? 3000.25 20. Yes, please. Department name 20 and D name is HR. Next, copy again. Copy. Next 3 Ramesh. 3 Ramesh. 200.41. 200.41. 30 marketing. Yes, please. 30 marketing. Next, insert one more. Next is Ramya. Okay, 4 Ramya. Yes, please. 4 Ramya 10.55. Yes, guys. 10.55. 40. Yes, guys. Admin. Admin. Now, last record. What is the last record? 5 Divya. 5 Divya. And salary is 1. And this is 50. And this is GOVT. Yes, please. Understanding, everyone? Are you clear, please? Understood, everyone? Yes, guys. Are you clear? Did you understand? Varchar, you can write any character, please. See, you can write at, you can write hash. Varchar means it will allow numbers also. See, marketing, you can write in between. You can write star. You can write anything, please. Varchar will allow numbers also. You can write admin dash 05. Okay, admin dash 05 06 govt, like this. See, now I'm executing. Varchar will allow all the characters. Now see, please. See this. Software at HR hash admin 05 06 govt. Varchar will allow. You have to mention the length. You have to mention the length for varchar. If you don't mention, it will not create the table. You have to mention the length for varchar, either 1 or 2 or 100. You need to mention the length for varchar. Are you clear, guys? Understood? Varchar will allow numbers and characters also. See, please. Now I am inserting one more record. 6. Instead of Divya, I am inserting 100. Instead of Divya, I am inserting 100 also. Yes, please. Yes, guys. Space, 100 space. You can either insert 100 also. 100 space Adya. Like this also you can insert. Understanding, guys? Are you clear, guys? Varchar data type will allow numbers and also any characters. But number data type will allow numbers only. Number data type will allow numbers only. Are you clear, please? Understanding, everyone? Are you clear? Yes, guys. Why should we write salary like this? That is a requirement. It's based on your requirement. It is based on your requirement, please. Varchar 2 will allow anything. Varchar 2 will allow anything. See now, suppose this one, I can write ename, anything, please. Suppose I am writing like this also. Anything you can write it in the single quotes. 123.456. It will allow. See, is it allowing? See the ename. See the ename, please. It will allow anything in the single quotes. You can write anything. Varchar 2 will allow any number or any characters in the single quotes. Are you clear, please? Did you understand? Everyone, did you understand, please? Can we write without that? Yes, you can write. See, please. I am taking this. I can write without dots also. Just 25,000 you write it. Or 10,000 you write it. 10,000 you write it. Yes, please. Execute. See, it will allow 10,000 also. Is it taking 10,000? Decimal can take without dots also. It will take without decimal points also. Understanding? Are you clear, please? Did you understand how to insert the records into the table? Did you understand, please? How to insert the records into the table? Did you understand, everyone? This is how you can insert the records into the, this is how you can insert the records into the table. After inserting the records, what to do? After inserting the records, what to do? You have to give commit. You have to give commit. Yes, please. Commit. You have to give commit. Understood? Are you clear, please? Once you completed, you have to give commit. Are you clear, guys? Now the records are saved. This is how you have to, this is how you can create a table. You can insert the records into the table. You can see the records into the table. You can see the records from the table. Understood? How to create a table, how to insert the records. Did you understand, please? Are you clear, guys? Everyone, are you clear? Did you understand? Okay. Now, next. After commit, you can insert again. At last, after all insert statements, you must use commit. Suppose after commit, you need to write one more insert statement. Suppose. If you write, then again you have to write commit. So, better write all insert statement once. At last, you give a commit. Write all insert statements and you have to write commit. See, in the left side, disconnect, right click, disconnect and connect. You will be having EMP table and students table. EMP table and students table. Are you clear, guys? Did you understand, please? Everyone? Are you clear? Now next, how to see the next point is how to see the structure. How to see the structure of a table. How to see the structure of a table. Structure or definition. Structure or definition or column names only. How to see the structure of a table. To see the structure of a table, DSC table name. DSC table name. Yes, guys. If you see DSC table name, now see please. It is showing column names and data types. This is called the structure of the table or definition of the table. How to see the structure of a table, guys? How to see the structure of a table? Everyone, please. Describe. You can write either DSC or describe. You can write describe also. You can write describe also. Understanding? Describe table name. Describe table name. Are you clear, guys? Did you understand? Did you understand how to see the table name? How to see the structure? Describe table name or DSC table name. You can give DSC EMP. So this is how you can what? This is how you can see the definition or structure of the table. You can see the definition or structure of the table. So in our DDL commands, what and all we have seen? What and all we have seen till now? Till now, what and all we have seen? Please see. We have seen create table statement. Create is a DDL command. We have seen create table statement. We have seen insert statement, that is a DML command, and we have seen commit, that is a TCL command. That is a TCL command. Understood, please? Are you clear, guys? Did you understand? So that is the create, insert, commit. Okay, this is how. Now next one. Next, DQL select. Select also we have seen. We have seen select. That is a DQL. Now suppose, for example, if I want to see, suppose, for example, next one, 8th one. Okay. See the number of records. See the number of records. That is count of the records. See the count of the records from a table. Records from a table. How to see the count of the records from a table? How to see the count of the records from a table? Anyone? How to see the count of the records? See now, you can select, there are two ways. You can write select star from EMP. After that, see, there are the line numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 records. Or right click. Are you seeing count rows? Right click anywhere, count rows. How many rows are there? How many rows are there in this table? In this table, how many rows are there? 9 rows are there. 9 records it is available. Or you can also write select count of star from table name. Select count of star from table name. Either you can right click and see, or you can write count of star from table name. Count of all the records. Are you clear, please? Are you clear how to see the count of the records from a table? Did you understand, please? Did you understand how to see the count of the records from a table? Yes, please. Are you clear, guys? Now, next statement is where. Suppose, for example, I am inserting the records again and again. Like this, I inserted and committed. I inserted the records again and again. Now see, please. I have how many records? I have 65 records. Let me change this. Okay. I'm just inserting again. Commit. Now, how many records in my table? How many records in my table? There are 73 records in my table, correct? There are 73 records from a table. Now, how to search the records from a table? How to search the records from a table? Okay, for example, I want to see all the students whose student ID is 1. Whose student ID is 1. Yes, guys, getting my point? Everyone understanding? I want to see all the students whose student ID is 1. Then what to do? Select, I'll write in capitals to see the better. Select star from EMP. Select star from EMP where, EMP, right? Employees. I want to see all the employees whose employee ID is 1. Whose employee ID is 1. Yes, please. I want to see all the employees whose employee ID is 1. Where EMP, where column name equal to 1. Where column name equal to 1. Execute. You got all the employees whose employee ID is 1. Did you get all the employee IDs whose employee ID is 1? Yes or no, please? What I am doing here? I am executing all the employees whose employee ID is 1. Okay. For example, I want to see whose department ID is 20. I want to see what I want. I want to see all the employees whose department ID is 20. What to do? Whose department ID is 20? What to do, guys? What to do? Select star from EMP where EMP ID is EMP ID equal to 20. Select star from EMP where EMP ID equal to 20. Understanding, guys? Are you clear, please? Everyone? Sorry, DPT ID, correct? Department ID. DPT ID. Department ID. Okay. Department ID 20. See, I got all the records. Whose department ID 20? Did I get all the records whose department ID 20? Everyone please. Now suppose I want to see what I want. I want to see all the employees. I want to see all the employees whose name is Raj. I want to see all the employees whose employee name is Raj. Whose employee name is Raj. Okay. What to do? You can first see the table. See the table, please. So now, if you see here, select star from employees, select star from EMP, where EMP ID equal to Raj. Raj should be the same case. Whatever the case we have the data, the same uppercase. If you have uppercase, you should write uppercase. If you have ename equal to Raj. Yes, guys? Understanding? If you give small case Raj, it will not work. See, please. If you give small case, it will not work. In the single quotes, when you are writing, you should be very careful. You should be very careful. You have to give the quotes. You have to give the quotes. Yes, please. So select star from EMP where ename equal to Raj. For example, I have a record like this. I have a record like what is it? Shanti. Yes, please. In small. Shanti in small. Yes, please. Now please see. Suppose I want to get all the employees whose name is Shanti. Yes, guys. I want to see all the records whose employee name is Shanti. Now see, Shanti is in small case, correct? SANTHI is in small case. Yes or no, please? SANTHI is small case. So what to write now in this case? Ename small case only. Ename small case only, so that you will get Shanti. Yes, please. Whatever in the characters, while you are doing the characters, while you are dealing with the characters, whatever the lowercase or uppercase in the table, the same case you have to use in the single quotes in the where condition. Understanding, guys? Are you clear, please? Did you understand? Are you clear? Now suppose I want to see whose employee name is 123.456. 123.456. What to do? What I want? D. What I want? I want to see all the employees' names whose employee name is 123.456. What is that? 123.456. So what to do for that? Select star from EMP where in the single quotes only 123.456. Understanding? Everyone? Are you clear, please? Getting my point, guys? Did you understand, everyone? Are you clear, please? Now, for example, I want to see all the employees whose salary is greater than. I want to see all the employees whose salary is greater than. Just a second. I want to see all the employees whose salary is greater than 10,000. Whose salary is greater than 10,000? Whose salary is greater than 10,000? What to do? Select star from EMP where salary greater than 10,000. Where salary greater than 10,000. You got the salary is greater than 10,000? Greater than 10,000 means above 10,000. Understood? Are you clear, please? Everyone understanding? Are you clear, please? Suppose I can give greater than or equal to also. If I give greater than or equal to, then if I give greater than or equal to 10,000, If I give greater than or equal to 10,000, salary with 10,000 and also greater than 10,000. 10,000 and also greater than 10,000. Yes, guys. Suppose I want less than 10,000. Less than 10,000. Less than 10,000 means? Less than 10,000 means? So I got all the salaries whose salary is less than 10,000. Suppose I want to see the salaries whose salary is not 10,000. I want other than 10,000. I want not equal to. What is this? Not equal to 10,000. Did we get 10,000 here? Not equal to 10,000. Either you can write exclamatory is equal to, or you can write greater than, less than. Like this also you can write, or you can write not salary equal to 10,000. All are same. With not salary equal to 10,000. Either you can write exclamatory equal to, that is not equal to, greater than, less than, that is also not equal to, or not salary. See please. This is also giving 64 records. This is also giving 64 records. This is also giving 64 records. Understanding please? Everyone, are you clear guys? Did you understand? Everyone, are you clear? This is how you need to use where condition. This is how you need to use where condition. Are you clear please? How to use the where condition? Did you understand how to use the where condition please? Are you clear? Did you understand please? Okay. Now, how to see the total record count? Select count star from. Select count star from. Why it is repeating same name? I inserted same record again and again. I inserted same records again and again. That is why it is showing like this again and again. Understanding guys? Are you clear? Everyone understood? Just a second, I'll get some water. Just a second, I'll get some water, please wait. Now, okay, let's see now next thing. For example, I have how many columns in EMP table? I have how many columns in EMP table? I have how many columns in EMP table, please? I have 5 columns. How many columns? 5 columns I have. Correct? Suppose if I want to insert one more column, okay? If I want to insert one more column in this table, what I want? I want to insert one more column. I want to create. I want to add a column to the existing table. Next one is we have seen create table statement. We have seen create table. We have seen insert statement. We have seen commit. We have seen select. We have seen DSC. We have seen where. Correct? What is create command? To create a table, correct? To create a new table. Yes or no? What is insert statement? To insert the new record, correct? To insert the new record into the table. Commit, to save the records into the table. To save the records into the table, correct? Select statement is to see the records into the table. Yes, guys? Understanding everyone? What is it? To see the records into the table. DSC, to see the structure of a table. To see the structure or definition of a table. Where means to search the records into the table. To search the records into the table, correct? This is what we have seen. To search the records from a table. Count star means to see the number of records from a table, correct? To see the count of the records from a table. Yes or no, please? This is what we have seen till now. Is this what we have seen till now? Yes, please. Now we will see alter statement. Are you seeing here alter statement? Filter. Where means to search or filter. Filter and search both are same. Filter and search both are same. Anyways, I'll tell later. Now we are seeing alter statement. Alter is having many users. Alter statement is having many users. First use. What is the first use of alter? Yes, please. Okay. First one is I want to add a new column to the existing table. What I want? I want to add suppose I'll take students table. For example, let's take students. In students, how many columns are there? In students, how many columns are available? How many columns are available? 5 columns. Suppose, for example, I want to add a column called country. I want to add a column called country. What to do? I want to add a new column to the existing table. You can write like this. Alter, table, table name, add. Alter, table, table name, add. Yes, please. What you want? Country. What is the data type? Varchar 250. Yes, guys. Understanding? This is how if you want to add a new column to the existing table. Alter, table, table name, add, country, and new column data type. Execute. Table students sorted. Now check please. Is the country is added to the table? Now check. Select star from students. Select star from students. We got country as null. Null means no value. Null means no value. Understood? So these are all having values, but country is null means no value. Understanding everyone, please? Are you clear? Getting my point, guys? Did you understand? Are you clear? Everyone, are you clear, please? Suppose I want to add 2 or more columns. I want to add, so this is how you can add single column. You can add 1 column. You can add 1 new column. Yes, please. Suppose you want to add more than one new column. Suppose I want to add more than one new column to the existing table. How? Suppose I want to add postal code. I want to add what and all I want to add? I want to add postal code and city. For this student's table, what I want to add? Postal code, yes please, and phone number, for example. Pin code and phone number. I want to add a column called pin code and phone number. What to do? Alter table name, add, open the brackets, pin code, yes please, pin code, number of 6. Normally pin code will be 6 digits, correct? Phone number will be 10 digits, correct? Phone number will be 10 digits. Yes or no, please? Yes or no, guys? Understanding, please. Alter table name, add column name, data type, pin code, number of 6, phone number, number of 10. Execute. Table students sorted. Yes, please. Check. We got pin code and phone number. Are you clear, please? Did you understand, everyone? Are you clear? How to add the data, I will tell you. Please wait. How to add the data, I will tell you in some time. Please wait. Now we are dealing with the columns. Understanding? Are you clear, please? How to add 1 column, 2 columns, 3 columns, 10 columns also you can add. Did you understand, please? How to add the columns into the table? Did you understand how to add the columns into the table? Now, for example, I want to remove 1 column from a table. What? I want to remove 1 column, 1 existing column from the existing table. Yes, please. Now, for example, how many columns students have? Student is having how many columns? Student 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 columns I have. Suppose I want to remove phone number column. What to do? I want to remove phone number column. Alter table name. Alter table name. Drop. Alter table name. Drop. In the brackets, you write phone number. Will it work? We'll see. Otherwise, we'll see another method. Okay. Alter table, students. Try. Okay, now see please. Alter table name, drop column name. Understanding? Everyone? Now phone number is dropped. See please. Do we have phone number? Do we have phone number in the table? We removed phone number from the table. Suppose, for example, I want to remove more than 1 column. I want to remove more than 1 existing column from the table. Suppose I want to remove what and all I want to remove. I want to remove country and pin code. What to do? Alter table name, drop in the brackets, country, comma, pin code. Execute. Table students sorted. Now check the table, please. Do we have the country and pin code? No. So this is how you can drop 1 column, or no, you cannot use delete. You have to use drop only. You have to use like this only. You cannot use like whatever you want. You have to use like this only. Yes, please. You have to use like this only. You cannot use whatever you want. So alter table name, drop in that. How to update? I'll tell you. Just wait. Please wait. We'll learn one by one, please. Don't be hurry for learning. Do not be hurry for learning, please. Learn slowly, perfectly. Yes, guys? Did you understand, please? Are you clear? Everyone? Is there any other method to remove the column? No. This is only the method to remove the column from a table. To remove the column from a table, only this is the method. Did you understand? How to add the records from a table? How to remove the table from the how to remove the records from a table? How to add the records from a table? How to remove the records from a table? Did you understand, please? Are you clear? Yes, guys. Any doubts, please? Any doubts till now? Any doubts till now, please? Everyone, are you clear? If you want to update, what to do? SQL, this is what we are learning SQL only here. Whatever we are learning is SQL only. Rows, I will tell you. Just wait, just wait. First, we'll finish about insert. Then we'll go how to insert the rows. Then we'll go how to insert the rows. Yes, please. Understanding? Everyone? Are you clear, please? Okay, now, for example, I'll add the rows again. I will add the rows again. For example, I will add these rows. Okay. Now, these columns. Now, how many columns in a table? In my table, how many columns are there? Check. I have 8 columns, correct? I have how many columns? I have 8 columns. Yes or no, please? I have 8 columns in my table. Now, for example, I want to change the data type of the column. You see this phone number is number 10, correct? Phone or country is varchar to 50. Country is varchar to 50. I want to change it to varchar 500. I want to change the data type of a column. What? I want to change data type of a column in a table. Data type of a column. What to do? Please observe. I want to change 50 to 500. Please see. Alter table name. Alter accidentally deleted all those things. We'll see one by one. Please wait. Alter table name. Modify. What is this? Modify. What you want to modify? Country column. What is the data type you want? Varchar to 500. Yes, guys? Understanding? If you want to change the data type of a column, what to do? If you want to change the data type of a column, what to do? Alter table name, modify. Alter table name, add means add the columns. Alter table name, drop means drop the columns. Alter table name, modify means modify the columns. Are you clear, guys? Understanding, everyone? Are you clear? So now execute this. Yeah, I want to see, is it necessary to give the length of the data type? Yes, we have to give the length. Otherwise, it will not take. You have to give the length. Yes, please. So what I want to modify from varchar to 50 to varchar to 500. Execute. Table students altered. Now check the table, please. DSC students. See, please. Is it changed to 500? Is it changed to 500, please? Now, for example, I want to change this pin code and phone number both. I want to change 2 columns data types. I want to change 2 columns, more than 2 columns. What I want? I want to change the data type of 1 column. I want to change the data type of more than 1 columns. data types of more than one column. Yes, please. How to do it? Please observe. More than one column. So I am writing alter table, table name, modify. What you want modify? Pin code. Pin code what I want? Pin code what I want? Suppose varchar to 10, for example. I want to change it to varchar to 10. Yes, please. And phone number varchar to 100 I want, suppose. Suppose phone number varchar to 100. You can change it. Understanding? Are you clear, guys? Understanding, everyone? Yes, please. Just I am trying to change it. Just I am trying to change this. See, please. It was numbers previously. Now it has changed to, it was numbers previously. Now it is changed to varchar. Correct? Getting my point, guys? Are you clear, please? Understanding, everyone? You can understanding, everyone? So if you want to change one column, then modify one column data type, two columns, modify n number of columns you can modify. But there is a rule. Now there is a rule. What is the rule is you can change the data type of, what is the rule is you can change the data types of empty columns only. You can change the data type of empty columns only. What does that means? See, if I see the table, what are the empty columns in this table? What are the empty columns in this table? What are the empty columns in this table? Country, pin code, phone number. Correct? Country, pin code, phone number. Yes or no, please? Suppose you see, I have the data in student ID, student name, city. You cannot change the data type for those. You cannot change the data type for those. How? See, please. Observe. Suppose you see DSC students, for example. Now I want to change this marks as, I want to change this marks as number of 2 or number of 1. I want to change this marks as number of 1. See, please. Alter table, table name. Alter table, table name. Okay. Modify marks number of 1. You try. What is saying? Column to be modified must be empty to decrease precision or scale. Yes, guys. Column must be empty. So always try to change. You can change the data types of the empty columns only. If you have the data, you cannot change. You cannot change. Understanding, please? Are you clear, guys? Everyone understanding? Are you clear, please? Did you understand? Clear about it? Yes. Now the last one. So we have seen what? Alter, table, add we have seen. Alter, table, drop we have seen. Alter, table, modify we have seen. The last one is alter table, rename. If you want to rename a column, what? I want to rename a column name, column in a table. Suppose, for example, if you see here, what is the column name? Student ST name. I want to change it as student name. I want to change it as student name. Yes, guys. What I want? I want to change it as student name. How to change? We'll see now. See, please. Alter table, table name. Alter table, table name. Yes, guys. Alter table, table name. Everyone. Rename. What you want to rename? Student name to what? What you want to rename? Student name to ST name to student name. ST name to student name. Execute. Order table name. Rename. We'll try. Will it work? 1 second. Just a second. Order table name, rename, correct? Or rename column. You should give column. You should give a keyword called column. Rename column like this you should give. See please now. Is it rename? Table altered. Alter table name. Rename column. Old column name to new column name. Old column name to new column name. Now check please. Is it changed? Is it changed student name? But you can rename one column only at a time. You can rename one column only at a time. Understood? Are you clear please? Alter table name. Alter table rename column name. That is old column name to new column name. Old column name to new column name. Understanding everyone? Are you clear guys? Did you understand please? So this is about alter command. This is about alter command. Are you clear please? Alter table name add means add the columns to the table. Add the new columns to the table. Alter table name drop means remove the brackets. I don't think so it will work. Okay. You can add, you can rename only one. You can rename only one. Yes, please. So what is that? Remove the columns from a table. Modify the data types. Modify the data types from it in a table, correct? Data types in a table. Rename the column names. Rename the column names in a table. Understood? So these are all the today's concepts. So what and all we discussed today's concept? What and all we discussed in today's concept, guys? What we discussed? First, what is SQL? How to create a schema? Did you understand how to create a schema, guys? How to create a schema? Did you understand? Everyone? How to create a schema? Next, how to configure the schema? Next, how to configure the schema? Basic SQL commands. Basic SQL commands in Oracle SQL. Yes, guys. Learn basic SQL commands in Oracle SQL. Yes, guys, in Oracle, just Oracle. Next, how to create a table in Oracle. Next, how to create a table in Oracle. How to see the records in a table in Oracle, correct? How to see the records in a table. Next, how to insert the records in a table. Yes, guys. How to insert the records in a table. How to save the records in a table. Yes, please. We have seen. Next, how to see the structure of a table. How to see the structure of a table. Next, see the count of the records from a table. How to see the count of the records from a table. Next, how to search the records from a table. How to search the record, that is where condition. How to search the records from a table. Next, okay, alter command. Okay, next is alter command. Next is alter command. So these and all we have seen today. Did you understand clearly, please? Did you understand clearly today's topics? Did you understand clearly, please? Are you clear about today's concepts? How to add a new column between two columns? No. You cannot add a new column between the columns. Whatever the column you added, it will come at the last only. Whatever the columns you added, that will come at the last only. It will not come in between. It will not come in between. Understood? Everyone, are you clear, please? Understanding? You cannot add in between. Yes, please. This video will be uploaded in YouTube today. Only first 2 videos will be uploaded in YouTube. Okay. Only 2 videos will be uploaded in YouTube. From next session onwards, you have to watch in Exvast browser. My team will guide you how to watch in Exvast browser. My team will guide you how to watch in Exvast browser. Yes, please. Understanding, everyone? Are you clear, please? Yes, guys. This material I will send you in the WhatsApp group. This material I will send you in the WhatsApp group. You can watch this video again. While watching, please comment. Please comment on my video. Will you comment on my video, guys? Whatever you feel, I am not asking you the positive comments. Whatever you feel about my video, please comment on my video. Please comment on my video. Will you comment, guys? I'll send the material. I'll send the material. Yes, please. I'll send the material. So, are you able to understand? Are you able to understand my session, today's session? Are you able to understand today's session, please? Yes. Is my English is understandable to you? Is my sessions are understandable to you? Or see, almost 2 hours. Did you feel boring in 2 hours? Did you feel boring? My sessions will be very interesting, please. You don't know how that 2 hours gone. Like that, my sessions will be. My sessions will be very interesting. Okay. You have to listen carefully, please. You have to listen carefully. Understanding, everyone? I hope you understood this topic well. Before closing the video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Also, please browse my rajinformatica.com for all the software courses. Thank you. Thanks for watching the video.